Hey, it's Tier and welcome to my channel Curl Struck. I'll be sharing my natural hair journey, doing some hair product reviews and tutorials. This very first video will be a perm rod set tutorial on blow dried hair, so let's jump right on in. So the very first thing I did was shampooed and conditioned my hair using As I Am's Long and Luxe collection, which smells amazing, followed by a honey mask by TGIN, which also smells amazing. And before I blow dried my hair, I sprayed a bit of the Thermal Shield Heat Protectant from Cantu Shea Butter, which is also really good. So because I have a lot of hair, I use about 3 packs of the orange rods and maybe a pack or 2 of the light peach color rods. So first I go in with Creme of Nature's Argan Oil Moisture Recovery Leave-In Curl Milk. And one thing I love about this product is that it's very light. I don't like heavy products on my hair, but it also hydrates my curls because my hair can feel a bit dry before I start this perm rod process. Now I'm going to use Creme of Nature's Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse, which also leaves my hair very hydrated. It does not leave my hair crunchy. It leaves it very soft and full of body. I like to go through with my brush and make sure that before I put the rod on that my hair is very smooth. That will keep it from becoming very frizzy. You want to make sure that it's super smooth when you are putting that rod on. And if you see my motion, I have that roll and flip under technique. I don't know what you call it, but it works for me because I hate to see the perm rod slide off when I put it on. So I tend to do that method to make sure that it stays tight to my scalp. So I'm going to show you again on how you do that method. Just make sure you smooth out your hair, especially the ends. And I really make an effort to pay attention to the ends of my hair when I put each rod on, because one mistake of making sure that it's not secured at the bottom, it will completely destroy the whole rod and it will be super frizzy. And as you can see here, I'm just rolling it up, flipping it under, rolling it up, flipping it under until I can't do it anymore, and then make sure that you secure it. So I stayed under the dryer for a little less than an hour. One time I tried to let a perm rod set air dry and it came out super frizzy, so I learned my lesson the first time. Always sit under a hooded dryer. So I'm going to pluck out my curls with some whipped shea butter rubbed into my hands and a nice pick, which I love, to get my roots. Now I love to pluck my hair out in sections because I tend to overlook certain sections, especially in the back of my hair. So I like to make sure that everything is evened out and that I really get every strand one by one to make it as detailed as possible. Now, plucking the curls is extremely important. Like for me, this step is super important because it makes all the difference in the world. I really cannot stress enough the importance of taking your time when plucking your curls out, just to make sure you have minimal frizz by the friction of taking them apart. Now it's time for the fun part. Just take a pick and start going at your roots and fluffing it out. I think for me, the bigger the better, especially on day one hair. So I'm very happy with my Perm Rods set results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even send me a comment down below. I love to hear your views and also to hear what you would like to see from me in the future.